Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this comparison are available in the description below. Please note that this review reflects my personal experience using these banking institutions. Choosing between JPMorgan Chase and BMO Harris Bank often hinges on individual banking preferences, location, and the scope of services needed. JPMorgan Chase, a financial giant, offers a wide array of solutions encompassing consumer, small business, and corporate banking, along with credit cards, mortgages, and wealth management services. With thousands of branches and ATMs across the country, Chase provides convenient access to in-person banking. Furthermore, its user-friendly digital platform caters to those who prefer online and mobile banking. Chase's credit card portfolio, known for its attractive travel and cashback rewards, appeals to both frequent travelers and everyday spenders. The bank also supports entrepreneurs and small to medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, with specialized business accounts, adaptable lending options, and robust merchant services. BMO Harris, a subsidiary of the Canadian financial group BMO Financial Group, maintains a significant regional presence in the Midwest and parts of the South and Southwest. BMO Harris prioritizes a customer-centric approach, providing competitive checking and savings accounts, personal loans, mortgages, and small business banking services. While its branch network isn't as extensive as Chase's, those living or working within BMO Harris's core markets can benefit from its community-focused approach and potentially lower fees on certain products. BMO Harris also offers a solid digital banking experience, although it may not possess the same range of advanced tools or as comprehensive a credit card rewards program as Chase. Both institutions offer ways to waive monthly maintenance fees by meeting specific requirements. Both also provide dependable customer support through phone, online chat, and in-branch assistance. In summary, if nationwide coverage, a diverse credit card selection, and a broad range of financial products are important to you, JPMorgan Chase might be the better option. Conversely, if you reside in a BMO Harris primary market and prefer a more localized banking experience, potentially simpler fee structures, and a strong community presence, BMO Harris could be the superior choice. Carefully consider your financial needs, whether they involve comprehensive services, credit card rewards, or regionally focused operations, before deciding which of these two institutions best aligns with your requirements.